How to turn off Snapchat stutter sound. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can turn off stutter sound on Snapchat. Now, basically what you want to know is there is no any option or there is no such options where you can turn off the stutter sound on Snapchat app. Even so, there is an option or an alternate way to turn off the Snapchat stutter sound. So let me get you through with it. If you open up the app here, for example, and you take a quick picture here, you'll hear the stutter sound while you click the picture. To turn it off, what you can do is close the Snapchat app and tap on the volume button and then press on the volume button that you can find on your device and then turn the volume low. Now you'll want to turn the media volume down particularly. Now this is my ringtone and you can see the media volume. Now you want to set that to 0, and once you do this, if you head over to Snapchat, then there will be no stutter sound while you click a picture or take a snap. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.